Hi guys, welcome to the video. So today we're working on this Lexus NX300h and we've installed a Ghost Immobiliser as well as a MetaTrak S5 tracking system. So just going to get into the car and show you how everything works. So with the Ghost Immobiliser, you won't be able to start the vehicle without entering your special pin sequence. So if I just show you how that works now, go ahead and press start. You can see you're unable to start the car. Switch everything off. What you'll need to do is enter your pin sequence. Currently we set a temporary sequence of the rear window heater button 3 times. So I'm going to press that 3 times now. 1, 2, 3. Get a 2 beep confirmation to let you know the Ghost is deactivated. You can go ahead and start the car. You can go into gear. See, everything's working as normal. As well as that, we've got the MetaTrak S5 tracking system installed. So you can see here on that, unless this tag is present, if the vehicle is started, you'll be instantly notified that the vehicle has been stolen or has been driven without your authorization. From there, you can MetaTrak will notify the authorities and work on recovering your vehicle. So with the MetaTrak, you also get a phone app fully integrated with the tracking system that shows you where your phone is at all times. If in the future you decide to upgrade your MetaTrak to a MetaTrak Deadlock Pro or a Deadlock, you can add an immobilizer and immobilize your vehicle from your phone app as well, wherever you are in the world. So this is the system that we installed today on this Lexus NX300. Very straightforward system, easy to use. MetaTrak comes with the phone app so you can see where your car is. And the Ghost prevents a theft at the point of theft. So all around, very good package that the customer has chosen today. If you're interested in getting a Ghost Immobiliser or a tracking system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 0506 358 and we'll be happy to give you a quote.